In this video, I'll show you how to fix the could not establish a connection to access point error on your LG TV. Let's get right into it. Method 1. Restart your TV and router. Turn off your LG TV and unplug it from the power source. Restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. After the router fully restarts, plug your TV back in and try connecting again. Method 2. Check Wi-Fi password and network. Double-check that you're entering the correct Wi-Fi password. Make sure you're connecting to the right network name, SSID. Avoid networks with special characters or hidden SIDs. Method 3. Forget and reconnect to the network. On your LG TV, go to Settings, Network, Wi-Fi Connection, Manage Networks. Select your Wi-Fi network and choose Forget. Scan again and reconnect by entering your password. Method 4. Update your TV's firmware. Go to Settings, All Settings, General. About this TV, check for updates. If there's an update available, install it and then try reconnecting. Method 5. Change DNS settings. Navigate to Settings, Network, Wi-Fi, Advanced Settings, DNS. Switch from automatic to manual. Enter a public DNS like 8.8.8.8, Google DNS, or 1.1.1.1, Cloudflare DNS. Save and reconnect. If none of these methods work, try resetting your network settings or contacting LG support for help. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix the connection issue, please like this video and subscribe for more LG TV tips and tech.